guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you're new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so that you get to know whenever I put my next video. I'm going to talk about their range that they have introduced is a hair fall treatment, and this includes 4 main products, that is hair serum, hair oil, shampoo and some kind of a tablets that you have to mix in a water and take. I really love this range because the winters are coming. I am setting myself up, and what about you guys? Have a good option and I'm gonna tell more about it. I've been doing a lot of review products lately, so probably I'll be shifting to another topic as well, so that एक बीच में बहुत ज़्यादा boring ना हो जाए, थोड़ा सा fun भी required है. And if you guys are not following me on Instagram, go follow me. I'm making lots of reels these days and I'm trying to do something different. What I not usually do it on YouTube is like dancing, acting, so you'll be really entertained if you follow me there. That's at the rate Nancy Bansal19. So go and follow me there, and the same ID is for the Snapchat as well. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Starting off with their packaging first. This is how it comes. It comes in a very shiny box. You can see here all of the products, all of them. Yes, so they come in a very shiny box, and these are not really tiny. Like I'm holding it in my hand, and you can just measure the size, and they're very shiny. And if I just see the box को देख के लगता है अंदर भी बहुत shiny product होगा, but ऐसा नहीं था. You can see this is absolutely matte. So first I'm going to talk about their shampoo, which is a unique blend of a natural active, that is aloe vera, and a D-panthenolol, which is very good, and this completely strengthens the hair from the root and it prevents a hair fall. Hair fall तो बहुत सारा होने वाला है, सर्दी आ रही है, so we really need to have a backup option, and this is just gonna increase the density and thickness of your hair. So now first I'm going to talk about is their shampoo, and सर्दी आ रही है, let's just get to experience the shitty dryness that we have in our scalp because of the weather. And the best thing about this shampoo is that it's enriched with aloe vera. छोटा सा bottle है. You can see it's very portable and it's very good for traveling. Okay, so next I'm going to talk about this very unique product, that is their nutritional supplement. You can see this is how it comes, and when you open it, it has tablets in it. You can see that they have tablets, and so this tablet is obviously a part of the whole treatment, and it totally strengthens your hair. And you just have to take one tablet out of this cylindrical thing, put in a water of 200 ml, and it quickly dissolves it. One thing that you have to make sure is that you are just consuming one tablet in a day. It's totally prescribed on the cylindrical. And the next is their hair oil, which is enriched with a super blend of 8 oils, and this is basically a coconut oil. And the best thing is that it has vitamin E, and the vitamin E is so much required. Last that is my actually personal favorite that I'm going to talk is the hair serum. I feel like कुछ और लगाओ ना लगाओ, oiling करो ना करो, serum is just like a protective layer to your hair. If you know, अगर आपको बहुत ज़्यादा outdoor जाना है, if you're a person who does job or you have a field work, then serum must. After washing your hair, please don't forget to apply serum. And this serum has actually changed the whole game of my hair. And I used to have lots and lots of color in my hair. मतलब experiment करना is like my favorite work with the hair. And this has, again, I'm telling you, this has really changed the game. How this has brought my hair back in original texture, how it was. I'll just show you how big is its dropper, and it's so easy to use. And the best thing is that obviously it prevents hair fall because it helps in increasing the density, thickness and fullness that brings volume into your hair. And I would say that because it's enriched with vitamin A, E and BF. I'm impressed with this brand Bella Ittad. I hope you guys also would love to choose this brand if that suits your skin and you would really like to try. Then I'm gonna leave the link in the description box so that you can just click and you will be automatically be directed to their website and you can buy the products there. And yeah, so I would just like to end my video here. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you so much once again. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, just take care. Bye.